Burns planned to build a park for the elderly. A year later, the Simpson family came with him to visit. Along the way, they passed many parks that had already shut down. Finally, they went through the main gate. Lisa asked why a gate was even needed.
Damn it.
While Marge and the others were more concerned about whether Abe was happy there. On the way, some strange vehicles made Lisa suspicious. She discovered the place was not even on the map.
Oh, Lisa, you're always so suspicious.
Burns took them to watch an introductory film. They learned the park used dinosaur DNA to restore the elderly's vitality, though there could be some side effects. Then Burns had the gates opened to everyone's surprise. The elderly inside were incredibly energetic. They looked even healthier than young people and were unusually strong. Even the local elderly rodents were thriving. Marge and the others found Abe, who looked full of energy, but Abe complained that it was a little cold, so Homer ignored the warnings and turned up the temperature. This triggered a chain reaction. All the elderly began turning into dinosaurs. Burns was still wondering what was happening until the professor told him to look under a microscope. Shockingly, the cells had turned into dinosaurs, and they even killed Smithers. Elsewhere, Skinner's mother turned into a pterosaur and complained that Skinner tasted bad. The fleeing Simpson family kept running into elderly people who had become dinosaurs. They were so terrified they could only keep running, otherwise they would end up like Kirk and get killed. The professor managed to escape the dinosaur chase.
You were lifted in the...
Homer and the others found a machine to escape, but it looked like they were not going to make it, and Abe caught up with them. At that moment, Lisa chose to reach Abe with words. She actually brought his reason back because of that. The other elderly people also returned to normal, and they were no longer afraid of being bullied by caretakers. As for Burns, who tried to flee, he paid the price he deserved. In the end, the Simpson family flew home on a pterosaur flight.